Good morning, children. Welcome back to the lesson number 8, Food Health. I hope understand the half of lessons part A, Food Health. So next I am continue the part B. In lesson number 8, Food Health, I am continue the part B. Okay, children. So you also write. So children, here we all are in the first video all discussion about in the vitamin A, B, C and D. What are the food items of the vitamin A, B, C, D, and what are the uses of the vitamin A, B, C and vitamin D. Okay, so next children, we all are discussion about in the vitamin A, B, C and vitamin D. What are the causes of diseases? Okay children. So here see these tables. So vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C and vitamin D. What are the vitamins column and what are the diseases caused due to their deficiency? What is the means of the deficiency, children? I am already told you in the last video. So deficiency means insufficiency. So Deepa says, what happens if we do not eat them? So carrot, look at this chart and tell. Both of you discussion about this table in the tables. Okay. So vitamin A, we not eat vitamin A, it cause of night blindness. One cannot see in dim light. Okay. So next vitamin B. So berry accumulations of the water in legs, muscle pain, reparations and heart problems. Okay children, we cannot use the vitamin B. These are diseases are there. Okay, next C, vitamin C, secure soft and bleeding gums, swollen legs. These causes of disease. Okay, next vitamin D, rickets, disorder of bone legs. Okay children, see here, these are vitamins used, all of you, very important. So our body, so uses of the vitamins do not cause to the diseases. Okay children. So carrot says next, carrot and Deepa talking about each other. So do you like to be patient always? Deepa, no, what should I eat to be healthy? Oh, carrot, besides all the food items mentioned, beans, radish, leafy vegetables, fruits with edible skin, apple and guava, and they are rich in the fibers and help in excretion. Okay children, these are the food items, have you take food. Okay, next Deepa, it is possible to eat all these food items at a time? Children, you also observe that these are the vegetables or fruits. Eat all these food items at a time? No, it is not possible, but you should eat all these food items daily in the right proportion. It provides the required amount of the nutrients to the body. The food which provides all the nutrients to our body in a required proportions is called as balanced diet. Okay children, you know balanced diet. Beside, you should drink 4 to 5 glasses of water daily. Okay. Deepa says, how should the balanced diet be? So here one chart of the balanced diet. Here the chart of the balanced diet. In the 100% part which have to eat. In the 100%, so then 75% of we have to drink first water. So this is in that 14% of the 14 parts of the hydrate, and next to carbohydrate, 14 parts of the carbohydrate and 5 parts of proteins. 5 parts of the proteins and 4 parts of the lipids or fat and 2 parts of the vitamins and minerals. Okay children, these are the chart of balanced diet, how to be balance our body dieting. Okay children. And next children, animals and birds also need food. You know, you have already learned about in the lesson number first in the previous classes discussion about the animals, birds have need food and shelter. Okay, you know already. Yeah, okay children. So next here one of the table here. So write the food of the animals given in the table. So in the here the names of the animals and which food which animal eat. Okay children, see here the name of the animal tiger. Tiger is which food is eat? For the animals eats flesh. Okay. Next crane. Which food you crane eat? Fish. Deer grass. Elephant grass. And kite. Kite is a big eagle name. Small animals eat. Next butterfly nectar. Mosquito blood. Cow grass. Dog bones. Rat grains. And how do animals eat food? Animals eat food with the help of their beak, teeth and proboscis. What is the meaning of the proboscis children? So, proboscis means it to lick like the gun which is like the gun which is present on insects. Okay. So, next is see the pictures children. Here the so tiger is eat the deer and these are the pictures. These animals how to eat the help of the eat the food help of the beak, teeth and proboscis. Okay children. Next. Here the filling the blanks to fill the dashes. Okay children. Tiger tears the flesh with the help of its dash sharp teeth. And next kite has dash legs to hold its food. Cloud. Next butterfly has proboscis to such a dash of the flower. Water nectar. Next the crane has a beak to hold its food dash fish. Elephant eats grass with the help of its dash trunk. Okay children. So write how the beak, legs and teeth help the animals to eat their food. See children, here one this table. In this tables we all are fill this name of animals, food, name of the food, helping organs and how it helps. So first we are taking the one of the animal name lion. Lion name of the animal is lion and food is flesh and helping organs is the sharp teeth. How it help to tear the flesh. Okay, to tear the flesh. Next another one animal rabbit. Rabbit his food nuts. Next helping organs is front teeth and how it help grind. Okay, and another one parrot. Parrot fruit is food is fruits and helping organ beak and how it help hold the food. Next fourth one honeybee. Honeybee food nectar and helping organs is proboscis. I am already says the means of proboscis. Such the nectar. So it is the help to take the food. Next cow. Cow take the food grass. Help of organ teeth and how it help us achieve the food. Okay children, these are the animals take food and helping organs and how it helps to take the this food. Okay, so do you understand? Next we are going to the to talking each other, Carrot and Deepa. Oh, it is wonderful the way animals eat food. Wait, I feel hungry once again. I will come back after eating halwa. So you know, already I am saying the part A in the video, in the last video part A, Deepa the girl Deepa in the dream talking what I will come back after eating halwa. I feel hungry once again. Say this. Deepa enters the kitchen. She sees the halwa being eaten by cockroaches. She screams. So you know also, you also know children, when you see in your home the cockroaches, you also screams. So next Carrot is says the Deepa. Why Deepa? What happened? Deepa, cockroaches are eating halwa. Please drive them away. I have to eat the halwa. Deepa says to the Carrot. So please, cockroaches are eating my halwa. So please, these are cockroaches. Dry them. I am very feel hungry. I am eat to the halwa. Okay. So next, Carrot. No Deepa, don't eat that. Have halwa. Once the animals touch the food items, it becomes contaminated. Means contaminated means what children? You know the contaminated food means any of the animals touch the food, we will become contaminated. Okay children, contaminated food means which are the animals animal touch this food it becomes contaminated. Okay, we should not eat such food. Carrot ask the Deepa. So Deepa, what will happen if we eat? Okay, what will happen if we eat? So Deepa says the Carrot, what happened when we eat this food, contaminated food? So Carrot answered the Deepa. So children, what happened? We eat such contaminated food. So children fall ill by eating the food exposed in a fair. It is confirmed that contaminated food is the cause. The children who ate the food which was contaminated by flies and cockroaches are suffering from vomiting and dysentery. They are admitted to a hospital. 4 of them whose conditions is very serious are shifted to the city hospital for further treatment. Okay children, first you remembered it. These are the very important points. Okay, so Deepa, poor children, Carrot says, come, I will take you to nearby farm. Look at the shops where vegetables are kept uncovered. So Deepa says next, those houses, flies are sitting on the rubbish. Okay, sitting on the rubbish. They fly and sit on the sweet also. So Carrot says, if we eat such food, we get diseases like cholera. So we should always cover the food with plates to avoid insects sitting on them. The vessels in which we store water for cooking and drinking should be covered. Care should be taken to avoid the pollution of the water. Hands should be washed before eating food. Understand children? Okay. I hope all of you understand. Next, these are the discussions of the carrot and Deepa. We should not eat stale food. We should wash the vegetables and raw fruits before eating them. Fruits should be cut to pieces just before eating. Vegetables should not be overcooked. Overcooking destroyed the nutrients present in them. Okay, children. Food, if boiled well, will be soft and digest easily. The germs present in them will also be killed. Eat hot food. Don't eat oily, fried and too spicy food. So you all also follow these tips. Okay, children. Then carrot says the Deepa, then throw out the halwa eaten by cockroaches. Deepa asked the carrot, okay. Deepa threw the halwa. Sobbing, Deepa's mother woke up Deepa, who was sobbing in her dream. Deepa woke up and suddenly asked her mother why she hadn't covered the halwa with a lid. Mother laughed and asked Deepa whether she had a dream. This is the story is over. These are the discussion about in the carrot and Deepa one to another each other. So this is story. All of food items is very important in our body to give the energy and healthy. So children, here the some of the filling the blanks you will fill. The nutrients in the food are, which are the food of nutrients to present? Proteins, carbohydrate, lipid, vitamins and minerals. Next, the nutrients present in the grains in proteins. Next, we should drink a minimum of 4 to 5 liters of the water every day. Next, night blindness is caused due to the deficiency of the A vitamin. Next, orange is rich in vitamin C. You know, children, vitamin C, orange is rich. Okay, so next, write the reasons for the following statements. So, what are the reasons of these statements? Means, first one, we should not eat contaminated food. What about? Because we will fall ill. We should not eat contaminated food because we will fall ill. So next, we should eat balanced food because we provide the required amount of the nutrients our body. Okay. Next, third one, children, we should cover the prepared food items properly. Because why children cover the prepared food items properly? Because to avoid the insect to sit on them. So next, we should not eat food and cut fruits kept open and sold on the roadside because it is contaminated food. These are the reasons of the estimate or points. So next, match the vitamins and their causes. So what is the matching? These are the, so here one column is vitamin A, B, C, D, and what are the uses or where you produce the vitamins. These are the vitamins. Okay, vitamin A, so preserve eyesight and skin. Vitamin B, protect heart and digestive system. Next, vitamin C protects teeth and gums. Next, vitamin D protects bones and teeth. Okay, children, these are the vitamin A, B, C and D. Which food items are the vitamins are there and what are the uses of vitamins A, B, C and D. Okay, children, do you understand the full lesson with video A part and video B part? You see and understood the lesson. Okay, children.